Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Huawei Health application. For some reason, mine is paired with the Huawei Health application Europe version, because when I tried to download the normal Huawei Health and pair my watch with the normal one, it told me to download this one and use it instead, and I had to do it, and it is working now. So I guess in Europe we need to use the Huawei Health Europe for some reason. Anyway, once your watch is paired with a phone, we need to check a couple of things, if the specific permissions are allowed basically for the iPhone, so we can send the notifications to our watch. So to check the permissions, we need to open the settings on our iPhone, and the settings we need to find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see Huawei Watch D2 on the list of my devices. Now tap on the info icon next to it, and right here you should see this option, share system notifications. It is possible you're missing this option, and if you do, you will need to close the settings for now, open the Huawei Health application, tap on devices, select our Huawei Watch D2 from the list. Here we need to find notifications, tap on it, and turn off the notifications if they're turned on, and then turn them back on, and wait for a couple of seconds. And after a couple of seconds, you should see pop-ups about the permissions, and if you see them, allow all of the required permissions, and then close the application, go back to settings to check. So settings, Bluetooth, oh, not Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, info icon next to Huawei Watch D2, and you should see this option now, and this option needs to be enabled, so make sure it is. Then you can go back to the main page of settings, scroll through the page, tap on apps, find the Huawei Health, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. Once it is, close the settings. Now let's open the Huawei Health. Here tap on devices, select our Huawei Watch D2, tap on notifications. If they're turned off, turn them on, and then you will see a list of apps you can enable the notifications for. And how it works is basically if you turn on the notifications, let's say for the messages, and you receive the notification from messages on your iPhone, that notification will be also forwarded to your watch. If you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, so you will see it only on your iPhone. And if you're missing the app, you want to receive the notification from on your watch, because there is like only limited list of apps, and if you're missing the app you want to use, you will need to enable the other option. This option enables notifications for other apps that are not on this list right here. And once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, which it should be working because the other option is enabled. And we got the notification on our iPhone. Let's check our watch. So let's wake up the screen. And if you can see in the notification panel, we have our notification, which means it is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.